Want to change Google Play Store country? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to change Google Play Store country. The first thing you want to do is open the Play Store app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then select the option of payment and subscriptions. Now select payment methods. Then select more payment settings, which will now redirect you to this website. Here, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Select settings from here. Now you have the option of country/region. Tap on this pencil icon to edit it. Tap create new profile. Tap continue. Now choose a country or region. Go ahead and select your new country. Then tap continue. Now enter details such as name and address. Enter the suburb. Then select your state. Now enter your postcode. After that, tap on the submit option. And with this, your new profile will be created. And your Google Play Store country will also be successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.